Let's understand how to wrap cell values in so that they look neat and can be seen in this entire cell which is available to you. Because this Excel sheet, when you're viewing, or any kind of spreadsheet that you want to view, need to have very crisp data, for which you need to have your contents properly aligned or has to be properly wrapped so that the relevant contents are available. Now let's take a look at one formatting option which helps you to format your text or values in a particular cell so that you can show only those contents which are very much important, or you can use it for better viewing of the values in a particular cell. Now, for an instance, you can see I have added I love Google Sheet. Now you can see this particular text has gone beyond the boundaries of that particular text. So EET has moved out of that cell boundary. Now if I try to add anything here, to add Google Forms, I cannot see this. Now if I have to see it, then there is an option in formatting which you can use, which is wrapping of text, wherein I could say wrapping and say wrap text. Now I can see the entire cell values, where the Google Forms is in another cell value altogether. Now, if I do not want to see the entire cell value and I do not want to wrap it, I'll say overflow, where this particular text is overflown to the next cell, but because of Google Forms which is already there in the next form, we cannot see the next words which are available after Google, which is Sheets. So if I remove Google Forms, you can see I love Google Sheet. Yeah. Once again, you will see this. I'll add Google Forms. I am not able to see Sheets, which is a part of I love Google Sheets. And if I remove Google Forms, I will be able to see I love Google Sheet. So I can see the word sheet once I remove the content which is next to the cell which is available. If it's not filled, I will be able to see it. If it is filled, I will not be able to see the sheet word. Now, this happens when you select the option as format, wrapping, overflow. If I try to clip it, even though if I do not have any content in this particular cell, so if I have anything in this cell or don't have, I still will not be able to see the entire content which is I love Google Sheet unless and until I get into that cell. Or the other option that you can use is format, wrapping, wraps to see the entire cell irrespective of what you have in the next cell just next to it. Now these same options of wrapping text are available in the formatting bar, where you can see all the three options of overflow, wrapping the text in one cell, and clipping it, where you do not see any kind of content which moves beyond the cell boundary. Now when you are wrapping a particular text, you will see The row height also increases as the text within it increases and it does not fit within the height of that particular row. And if you delete something, it will again adjust the height of the row as per the content. So this is how it gets wrapped in a particular cell. And this is very important when you are showing certain data, so that you can hide which is irrelevant, you can show which is very much relevant and people want to read it.